Hi guys! Today in this video we are going to see how to use the selection tool in Photoshop. Let's go subscribe before that. Photoshop has a variety of selection tools. This can be used to select the specific color of a specific item. Here the internal white color is selected in the mobile phone. Ctrl+X cut it, and it will be removed. If you select and mark it, the background will be removed. Next, if you use this to select the entire phone, it will look like this. This is not the correct method. If you select the object selection tool and drag the desired amount on the object, after a while only that object will be selected. Next, let's look at removing background on a subject. There are various selection tools, and if we select using the object selection tool as before, this will appear after some time. In some places this can be done, but there is a lot of gaps here. So, let's give quick selection tool. Let's select where necessary. Here other parts are also selected. This can be done by giving Alt-selection. Hold Alt and click in an unwanted place to make it disappear. Similarly, if you press Shift and click it will add plus. But the subject parts are cut. For this, if you select subject in select, after some time the subject will be selected beautifully. Now you can remove the magic wind chord quick selection tool or eraser in unnecessary places. This is the basic subject removal method in Photoshop. Next, if you do the same in this film, after a while the subject will be selected, but it will be cut at many places. We have already posted this video, so you must click on subject and mark, especially for the parts with hair. The link will show above. Until then, watch the full video. Now after this we must select onion skin. If you click on the subject above it and then click overlay in the view box, it will appear like this. Now you can select the second brush on the left and select the final part. It is loading a little. Then click OK. Now the subject has gone natural instead of having a haircut. It can be moved with the Move tool. Let's see how to make background for object. Let's select Quick Select as we did first. If you slowly drag it to the desired location, it also selects the bottom shadow. If you hold Alt and click on it, the object will be cut. This is now the wrong method. If you give the Magic Wind tool, it will be selected in a circle. This can also be used. As there is a white background, you can get it by selecting Screen in Blending. Then if you use Poly tool, it will look like this. Similarly, it comes in the form, and we can use it without fail. But if you want to not select correctly, you can also do Shift and Alt to make correct selection. But better than that is Pen tool. Pen tool is my favorite selection tool. You can cut it at the required place beautifully. Comment Pen tool if you want. I am posting a full explanation video about Pen tool. The desired location is beautifully selected. Now if you give Ctrl+D, it will become select. Now if you give Ctrl+X and cut, see, you can take only car alone. The rest is the same. You can move beautifully by giving the Move tool. There are many different object selection tools. Similarly, if focus area is given in select, it will come. This can also be used if required, and the color range tool can also be used to select the object color. You can choose any color you want. If you want to select it from the sky in the photo, you can use sky. There are many selection tools like this. First, we need to understand where and how to use the selection tool. Accordingly, we can use many types of selection tools. Which method do you use? Which method do you like? Comment and ask for clearer video about selection tool in comment. If the video is useful, please like it and subscribe the channel for similar videos.